Hello student, welcome to IT practical class. Today I discuss about your project, that is modern ICT tools for effective educations. All of you must buy one channel file from any bookshop, and this project only done orange section student of class 10. I send this project in Google Classroom. After that all of you must download this PPT from Google Classroom and print out of this PPT, and at last insert it, that is insert into the channel file. Okay, so this is your front page. Next is certificate. This is your certificate page. Next is this is your acknowledgement page. Modern ICT tools for effective education. Three essential qualities, that is number 1 creativity, number 2 competitiveness, and number 3 collaboration. How ICT is being used very effectively. Flexibility to study where, when, and how best suits individual needs and preferences. Increased motivation through learning that stimulates and stretches. Wider access to learning and participation. Sensible choices about when not, and how to use new technology to enhance, enrich, and extend learning. Types of ICT tools for education. Internet, and with internet, YouTube, wikis, SlideShare, blog, Google Maps, Google Docs, etc. Another are interactive whiteboard, computer, projector, presentation tools. This is the types of ICT tools for education. Advantages of using ICT in lessons. Some advantages of using ICT in lessons are increased commitment to learning works, enhanced enjoyment and interest in learning and the subject, increase in self-directed learning and independence. Analyzing information ICT can have on learners' learning, including increased motivation to stay on work, behave better, and produce higher quality output, produce higher quality work, learn more independently and at their own pace, do things they cannot do using traditional methods and resources, do more work and work more quickly. These are some advantages of using ICT in lessons. Some negative effects of ICT. Number 1, excess use of ICT harmful for health. Number 2, eyesights become weak of the learners. So that's all. Thank you.